Young Linh Fish Soup with morning glory and water lily, a gift rich in the flavor of the Western region. Dear friends, when mentioning Western cuisine, I cannot help but mention a rustic sour soup that anyone who has ever tasted it will fall in love with. Young Linh Fish Soup with morning glory and water lily. The special thing about this dish lies not only in its refreshing, mildly sour taste, but also in the simplicity in the way it is prepared, bringing an irresistible appeal to family meals.
Ingredients to prepare: 300 grams of fresh young Linh fish, a fish that is only available during the flood season, carrying the characteristic flavor of the river region. Wash the Linh fish with diluted salt water and lemon, drain. 1 bunch of morning glory, 2 water lily stalks, wash and cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 lemons, 1 garlic bulb and 2 shallots, minced. Some vegetables for sour soup. Thinly sliced red chili, adding a little spiciness to make the soup more attractive. Olive oil, fish sauce, black pepper, pink salt, brown sugar and other spices according to family taste.
How to make: first, I will sauté garlic and onions in a little cooking oil. The aroma of garlic and onions spreads, creating a promising start for the soup. Next, I pour water into the pot, bring it to a boil and then add lemon juice. The soup has a light aroma, the mild sour taste blends together, creating a more attractive background for the dish. When the soup boils, I will add the young Linh fish, cooked gently so that the fish is cooked without being crushed. Imagine the small, beautiful fish, soft and fragrant meat, just cooked, are ready to bring you an unforgettable taste experience. Finally, I will add water, spinach and lotus, bring to a gentle boil. Before turning off the stove, add coriander, sliced chili and season again.
With only simple ingredients, when combined, sour soup with young Linh fish becomes a charming dish, with the unique flavor of the Mekong Delta. Try cooking this dish for a family meal or invite friends to enjoy. I believe that the cool, mildly sour flavor combined with the sweetness of fish and vegetables will satisfy even the most demanding diners. Hope you will like it and try it right away. Here we would like to end the article on sour soup with young Linh fish. Goodbye and see you again at Bepthanhtra Kitchen next time.